The next thing we want to go over is how to use the manual backup system. A lot of our clients already know how to use this and are proficient with it, but a few from time to time would like a refresher or haven't had to use it, which is great. Now, in the event that the pendant stops working because of a limit switch failure or electrical failure, your battery is dead, or other circumstances, you may need to use the manual backup system. Now, there is a nice clear guide on the front face of the pump box on how to use the manual pump, manual operation, should you need to. First of all, we'll need to grab the manual backup handle, which is located at the rear of the pump box with the two clips. Simple pole with, you'll see 2 notches here for the manual release. So we'll quickly go over how to release the lift and bring it out of the vehicle, and then we'll bring it back in. So you'll see here there is a little a screw here, and we'll take the notches on the handle and insert it with the T-screw, and we'll turn it counterclockwise to the left. Just release it slowly, you don't need to loosen it too much, and you'll see the lift has started to go away from the vehicle. So when we're done, again, we'll just clockwise turn the handle to the right, nice and snug. Now we don't want to over tighten because we can damage the threads in the pump block. Once we're down to the ground and we're happy, we can close the valve, nice and snug again, just hand tight, and insert the handle into the pump block here, just like a small bottle jack, and we will manually pump the handle. Now you may find that while you're doing this, the hand control will begin working again, and that maybe because the safety switches have realized that the lift is into a safe place and it is safe to use the electronic system. So just keep an eye on that, and it will save you some time and effort if you can use the electric system. So here we go. I'm back at floor level now, and we're slowly pumping the lift in, and I'm just going to check if the hand control is working. And again, we can see our orange lights have come back on the controller, and we can continue to use the electric function of the lift. When we're done, we just want to make sure again that our manual release is snug. Again, we don't want to over tighten it to not damage the pump, and we can store the handle away with the provided clips.